With over 4.6 million applications being built on the platform and users collectively raising 15 billion through their Bubble-powered projects, it represents a significant portion of the no-code ecosystem. Traditional app development requires significant technical expertise, time, and financial resources. For many entrepreneurs and businesses, their barrier to entry has been the need to learn programming languages or hire expensive development teams. The no-code platforms emerge to address this challenge by providing visual interfaces wherein users can build applications through drag and drop functionality rather than writing code. This approach has democratized app development, allowing non-technical users to create everything from simple tools to complex business applications. The platform works through a drag and drop interface wherein the users can create app layouts, design workflows, and manage databases visually. The platform includes advanced database management capabilities, allowing users to create complex data relationships and structures without SQL knowledge. The workflow system enables users to define application logic and user interactions through a visual interface. This includes everything from user authentication and payment processing to custom business logic and API integrations. The platform supports extensive third-party integrations through its plugin ecosystem and API connector tools. Users can integrate with services like Stripe for payments, various email providers, analytical tools, and custom APIs. Bubble also provides responsive design capabilities, allowing applications to work across different screen sizes and devices. The platform includes AI integration features, enabling connections with tools like ChatGPT and other AI services. Bubble applications span a wide range of categories and complexity levels. Many users start with minimum viable products to test business ideas quickly and cost effectively before committing to larger development investments. Common application types include marketplace platforms connecting buyers and sellers, internal business tools for project management or customer relationship management, social networking applications with user profiles and messaging systems, and e-learning platforms with course creation and tracking capabilities. In closing, we can say that Bubble represents one of the most mature and capable no-code platforms available today. Whether it's right for your project depends on factors like your technical comfort level, your scalability requirements, and long-term platform strategy.